So this is how your cookies, your punana, you know that thing now, that thing, this is how it's going to be slippery, you see, slimy. In fact, don't let me say another thing, because hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is HBM. So okay guys, so this is our Gorontula. Yeah, this is how Gorontula look like. You can see the way it look like. This is actually how it look like. So I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Gorontula syrup using this. Yes, so just stay to watch the video to the end, and do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to wash this Gorontula. I'll wash this Gorontula. Yeah, I'm going to take my time and wash this Gorontula properly. So next I'm going to open up this Gorontula. So I'm going to open it up. Just make sure it's opened like this. Then I'll be dropping them in my cup. So we are trying to make a syrup. We are trying to make a syrup with this. Can you see? So I'm going to add in clean water. So I've added in clean water. Yeah, I hope you can see. So I had to cover it, so I'm going to let it soak to the next day. So I'll see you in the next day. So this is our soaked Gorontula. Can you see the way it is? Right now it is slimy. It is just like an okra. Yeah, it's very slimy. It's very thick now. You can see the way it is. Sorry, the light here is not that much, but this is the way it is after 24 hours. Okay, the old Gorontula, that is the silky cola extract, is out already in the water. So do not mind my normal pot. So I'm going to pour this. You can see. Yeah, this actually looks like honey. Wow. Can't even capture. I can't even grab this thing with my spoon because it's so slippery and slimy. Like you can see, I can't even grab it with my spoon. You can see the way it is. See, you can see. So this is the silky cola syrup they sell for you in the market. This is how they do it. I just had to do little because, oh sorry, so I'm adding in my honey. So I had to pour this into a wider bowl because I couldn't show you properly the way this thing is. So if I'm reselling this, I will have to remove all the seed entirely so that the seed does not show at all. But this is exactly how it's being done. So this is how your cookies, your punana, you know that thing now, that thing, this is how it's going to be slippery, you see, slimy. In fact, don't let me say another thing, because so if you're a woman and you're suffering from dryness, you don't get wet, you're really suffering from dryness, you're always dry, you don't enjoy with your husband, you're always dry inside of you. I don't want to say much because I don't want my video to be flagged down, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to say here. This is very good for you. This is what they call Gorontula syrup, Silky Cola syrup. Yeah, this is how it's being done. So you can just get the cola, you soak in water. After 24 hours you just boil it, add honey, then you pour it into your container, then you take. It's not going to spoil your cookies. This is how wet, slimy, slippery your punana will be. Like very, very slippery. You see the way this thing is so slippery? The way this thing is so slippery now, that's how your punana will be so slippery. So you can just give this a trial. Believe me, Sweetner, like while taking this, you're gonna enjoy doing that thing a lot. You're gonna enjoy peeling onions a lot with your partner, like a lot, because you'll be so wet, so slippery, so slimy. Like your husband will never look at another woman, because now when that place is so slippery, so wet, so sweet, like so sweet, the man will be stuck there. Believe me, now there you go die put. Wow. Yeah, so I've poured my Silky Cola syrup here. Yeah, so here's our Gorontula syrup. I poured it in here. I'm only making this smaller batch. I am not selling, yeah, because I just want to teach you how you can make it. It can be thicker than this. It can be very, very thicker than this. That is if your Gorontula, your Silky Cola nut is plenty and you added a little bit of water, you're going to get a very thicker consistency. So this is it. This is how to make your Gorontula syrup, your Silky Cola syrup that makes you wet, slippery, slimy, and name it, makes you sweet, like makes your punana very, very sweet. So this alone, when you're using this is what they call the KAYANMATA, the syrup you see them sell everywhere. This is how to make it. Yeah, how to make the syrup. Okay, so see you. Bye.